Happy New Year! Let's start the year with two staple Indian favorites, chapati and poori. Two in one with the same dough. Let's learn. It's going to be fantastic. Chapati and Poori. Ingredients: 2 cups of atta or whole wheat flour, a slightly healthier carb, 1 cup of water and ghee. Season your flour with some salt and add a generous tablespoon of ghee. Then, using your hands, work the dough with 1 cup of water. Once you get a firm dough, let it rest for 45 minutes and cover it with a cloth so that it doesn't get dry. That's enough time to prepare your side dishes. Today, we are making black pepper sardine varval. And we're also making aloo matar. Yum! A nice rainy evening to make chapati. Sprinkle some flour on your work surface and start kneading the dough for about 5 minutes to get yourself used to the texture. And then you can start dividing the dough into balls. With 2 cups of flour, you can get 8 chapatis. Moving on, let's roll the chapatis. And if your chapatis are not getting round enough, you can use this. This is a polpat or a metal chapati rolling board. It kinda helps guide the shape a bit. You can buy it online, Lazada, Shopee. I looked it up, around 30 ringgit for the aluminum ones and about 50 to 60 ringgit for stainless steel ones. So if you always make chapati and you want it to be round, you can use this. It's really helpful. And yeah, it kind of works. The chapati looks nice and round. Now heat a tawa or griddle. Just drop your chapati on it. Start flipping once you see brown spots. If you want it extra special, spread a little bit of ghee. It will go a long way. If you want really soft, fluffy chapatis, keep flipping until it starts puffing and gently press around it with a kitchen towel. After a minute of puffing, it'll become really nice and cooked. And you can serve this hot, or you can keep it in a thermos container for later. Next, let's make puri. One chapati can be divided into 2 puris. So, with 2 cups of atta flour, you can either get 8 chapatis or 16 puris. But today, we are making 4 chapatis and 8 puris. That's more than enough for 4 people. So we get the best of both worlds. This is easier because you use the same dough, right? For puri, heat some oil in a kadai or a heavy Indian wok and fry it in hot oil. Bathe the top with hot oil until it puffs up. And once it starts browning a bit, it's ready. Puris just take a minute or 2 to cook through. And there you have it, a delicious way to have an early dinner, and of course, you will learn all the side dishes very soon. For now, have a happy new year and enjoy the chapati and puri.